One of the common and basic questions among students or someone who wants to learn code is how can I learn to code fast and make a career as a programmer? Whether you're a student, fresh or experienced person trying to switch a job in programming, you'll definitely try to find tips and tricks to learn programming quickly and effectively. The job of programmer is one of the high-paid jobs in the market and one of the coolest jobs people find to do. Learning to code and mastering it can take years for a beginner. Most people give up before they truly get started. In the beginning, we get very excited about the concept of learning to code. But later, in most cases, students or beginners give up quickly because they find it difficult to continue. They get stuck and they face difficulty in finding the solution for the code. Learning programming is not an overnight journey, but it's also not as difficult as people think about it. All it just requires is dedication, patience, interest, and definitely patience. There's so many online resources available to learn to code easily, quickly, and effectively. That's why in this video, we're gonna talk about 10 critical tips to learn programming fast. Number 1. Learn by doing. Always play with the code while learning. Number 2. Grasp the fundamentals for long-term benefits. Number 3. Code by hand. It sharpens proficiency and you will need it to get a job. Number 4. Never get tired of practicing. Number 5. Ask for help. You will need it. Number 6. Seek out more online resources. There is a wealth of content. Number 7. Learn from the bugs or error. Number 8. Don't just read the sample code. Tinker with it. Number 9. Take breaks when debugging. It is important. Number 10. Be curious. Because if you're interested in the topic, you'll search for additional resources like articles or YouTube videos to develop your knowledge. Despite these 10 tips, the most important ingredient to learn to program faster is to remain confident. To do so, you should expect to fail repeatedly and be patient with your progress. Because becoming an expert at anything requires hard work and time. And if a single doubt ever clouds your mind, remember that every programmer has this path before. None of them more destined to become a developer than you. Whichever path you are currently on, be it college or coding bootcamp, the only barrier to success is your work ethic and confidence to persevere. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And of course, what do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.